by Forest Glen. And so they delete everything and goes like, it's at Forest Glen. So I'm like, you know what, man? If you can't take in the acknowledgement or at least the knowledge, then you are not worth my time.
Yeah.
It's fun. I'm not doing that for anybody. Whoa, wait. Is Sam back? That was a Toyota.
Who's back?
Sam! I swear to God, that's a Toyota.
Really?
His little Toyota Camry, yeah, I just passed it telling you. It was a silver Toyota Camry, just like Sam.
Oh, okay. I think that. You know what? E782-25 is passing me now. And after, cause we do have a northbound NS, but I may not catch them. So after this cold drag passing me, I'm gonna head down to where you are, Port Rocks.
Alright, we got another person here, somebody. It's an older fellow.
Probably Jim.
Alright, cool. Alright, it's an adult, pretty much, so.
Jim, probably.
Alright, well, I'll set it up, I'll check signals, I'll see what's going on. Nothing going eastbound as I know, so nothing out of possibly get this time.
Yeah, so right now, yeah.
16023 continue 12 5 16032 That was it.
Yeah, I think it's time for me to head back to Port Rocks for a little while. Cause it's starting to get really crowded over here.
Yeah, I'm here now, I just pulled in.
10-4. Yeah, I should be there from here to Port Rocks about, what, 15, 20 minutes?
No, it's 45 minutes.
No, it can't be 45 minutes, because I can move. Trust me, I can move.
Yeah, you're talking to a speed racer himself, so.
So do I got it for myself.
Man, this dude's got like 3 tripods.
A dude with 2 tripods? What?
He's got 2 tripods.
Huh, interesting.